Hello everybody, this is Oilmaker 1975. Just wanting to show you a little bit of my everyday carry that I have with me at all times. First off, on my carabiner here, I got my ferrocerium rod, my magnesium, and way to strike it. I also have my sharpening utensil. It's multiple applications. It's got a diamond rod on the side. That's my first piece of equipment. Second is I always carry my multi-tool with me. This comes in handy in many situations. It's got multiple tools on it. I'm sure everybody out there knows what they are and what they do. Good thing about this one is it's got a spring there in the center. I don't know if you can see that or not, but the spring's open, so it's really good to have. Next is I have a little pocket folder here. It's a Gerber. This is very, very sharp. I think within the first couple days of having this, I tapped it on the side of my finger on accident and it almost went straight to the bone. So it is definitely very sharp, and this is one I definitely carry with me at all times. This one I just got at a gas station. It's a little cheap $10 knife, just so I have a spare. This one stays in my car just in case something happens to this one. Good thing about this one is it does have a skinning hook on it, which would come in handy if I needed to use that. Next is I always carry around a lighter, just in case this fails me. I always have a backup of everything if I can help it. There's the case to the multi-tool. I also have this on every day. It's got two 8-feet pieces of paracord, which comes in handy in situations. I also have in the back of my car, I carry a tarp and an extra coat just in case I need it. And the last item that I carry on a daily basis is this. This is my Taurus 9mm. Sorry, I'm going to have to set you down here for a minute because I can't get it out of the holster with one hand. I am unloading it. That way you guys know it's unloaded. But this is a model PT917CS. Very reliable. I went out and bought, I think it was I think it was 4 boxes of 50 rounds, and shot every one of them as fast as I could through it. I had no problems, no jams, anything of that sort. So that is my everyday carry. If you guys like the video, I am new to this, if you haven't already noticed, but I am a disabled vet too also, and I'm trying to get back out into the woods to continue this stuff that I did before I had my back problems. So if you guys have any tips or tricks or anything like that, just leave me a message. And like I said, I am new to this. I have no subscribers, so if you would subscribe, leave a comment, and tell me what you think.